Hey, this is Sharon at Cold Creek Nurseries, and I wanted to show you this beautiful proven winter plant. Y'all know how I feel about proven winters. If it's got a proven winter pot on it, I'm probably going to plant one. This is actually a Weigela or a Weigelia, or some people call it Wiglia because they can't pronounce it either. The name of this one is Vinho Verde. And what is so cool about this one is the foliage. And it comes out with this really kind of chocolate leaf. And then as it goes through the season, you've got the chocolate on the outside and you've got this beautiful green on the inside. So the plant overall is just gorgeous. About 3 to 5 feet, stays nice and compact. And then you also get to add in some beautiful maroon flowers to it. So this plant is just one of those awesome shade plants that you can use in your garden. Come on down and see me and check out the Vino Verde.